I'm going to walk you through how to edit your URL so that it is shorter, easier to read, and just more conducive to use. So you'll see I'm on my home page. I'm going to walk over to my profile picture on the left-hand column. That's always how I go into my profile. When I click on it, you'll notice on the right-hand column, there's a section called Public Profile and URL. You're going to click on that edit pencil. And it's going to take you to the public view of your profile and again to a section on the right-hand column called Edit Your Custom URL. When you click on that pencil, it's going to drop down and give you some parameters on what's required and then a section that you can type directly into. If you've never changed your URL, it's likely going to be some version of your name with a whole bunch of numbers at the end of it and be relatively long. What you want it to be is some variation of your name that is easy. So anything from your first name, last name, if you have a unique name, to your first initial, middle initial, last name, or all of your initials and then your full name, or something that is reflective of your name but unique enough to populate a URL that's not already being used. When you type in your options here and you hit save, this will turn red and let you know if the URL is already being used by someone else. Once you come up with a URL that you like and isn't being used, once you save it, make sure that you copy it and paste it or link it into any documents or other profiles that already have the URL in it. And if you don't already have your LinkedIn linked in your resume, this is a perfect opportunity to get it in there so employers can directly go and see recommendations and other information that is not already in your resume.